Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see a last problem which is based on integration by partial fraction and probably the last problem of the chapter integration. Let us start with problem number 15. Integral x plus 1 upon x square into x minus 2. Let us convert this in the partial form. Here x square cannot be factorized, therefore that x square can be written as ax plus b plus for x minus 2 you can take another constant c. Now by multiplying by x square into x minus 2 on both the sides, we have numerator x plus 1 left. Here with ax plus b we have x minus 2 and with c we will have x square. Now to find the value of c first, let us take x as 2 so that 2 minus 2 will become 0 and this entire part will become 0, so that we can easily find the value of c. Put x is equal to 2. Therefore we have 2 plus 1 is equal to, no need to calculate this term because the value of this term is already 0. C into we have 2 square. 2 plus 1 will be 3 is equal to 2 square is 4, that is 4c. Therefore the value of c is 3 by 4. Now to find the value of a or b first, you can first put the value of x as 0. Put x as 0. This will give you 0 plus 1 is equal to a into 0 plus b. Further we have 0 minus 2 plus the value of c is 3 by 4 into 0 square. 0 plus 1 is 1. A into 0 is 0. 0 plus b is b. 0 minus 2 we have minus 2 and this part is also 0. Therefore the value of b will be minus 1 upon 2. Now to find the value of a, you can give any random value of x to this equation. Let us go with x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. This will give you 1 plus 1 is equal to a into 1 plus the value of b is minus half followed by 1 minus 2 plus the value of c is 3 upon 4 into 1 square. This will give you 1 plus 1 as 2, a into 1 is a, plus into minus is minus 1 upon 2, 1 minus 2 will give you minus 1 and plus 1 square is 1 into 3 by 4 is 3 by 4 only. Let us take this 3 by 4 on the left hand side. This will give you 2 minus 3 upon 4. Here we have minus 1 into a minus half. Now 2 minus 3 by 4 will give you 4 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5 by 4. Here we have minus 1 into a is minus a. Minus into minus is plus half. Taking this plus half on the left hand side, we have 5 by 4 minus half is equal to minus a. On solving it further, we have 10 minus 4, that is 6 upon 4 2s are 8, that is minus a. Let us take this minus sign on the left hand side. Therefore a will be minus 6 upon 8, that is equal to minus 3 upon 4. Now let us substitute the values of a, b and c. Therefore I is equal to integral ax plus b upon x square plus c upon x minus 2. The value of a is minus 3 upon 4 into x plus the value of b is minus 1 upon 2 divided by x square plus the value of c is 3 by 4 upon x minus 2 dx. On further separation, we can write it as minus 3 by 4 we have x upon x square left, plus into minus will be minus, 1 by 2 is a constant. We have 1 upon x square left. From this part we have 3 upon 4 and 1 upon x minus 2 dx left. Here you can see 1x will be cancelled. We have minus 3 upon 4 integral 1 upon x dx minus 1 by 2. Let us take x square in the numerator, that is x raised to minus 2 dx plus 3 upon 4 integral 1 upon x minus 2 dx. Therefore I will be minus 3 by 4 integral 1 by x is log x minus 1 by 2. Here we will use x raised to n as x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Here we have log of x minus 2 plus c. Therefore I will be minus 3 by 4 log x. Here you can see minus 2 plus 1 will give you minus 1 and that minus into minus will give you plus 1 upon 2. Again minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 and x raised to minus 1 can be written as 1 upon x. Plus we have 3 upon 4 log of x minus 2 plus c. This is the final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.